Sawadee Cup. We are back in the kingdom. I'm very happy to be back here. So what I want to talk about today is Pad Thai. The funny thing is, in most Western Thai restaurants, Pad Thai is the end all and be all of the restaurant, right? But nobody eats Pad Thai in Thailand. You might be thinking, isn't Pad Thai the national dish of Thailand? You're right. Rama IX, the last king, declared it was the national dish of Thailand. However, when you go around the streets and you see what people are actually eating, it's not the case. One of the ways people will know that you're a foreigner instantly is if you order Pad Thai. So you might be wondering, what would be the national dish of Thailand? Now, if you've spent any extended amount of time in Thailand and actually gone to the restaurants or spoken to the people and see what they actually eat, you might know the answer to that. And no, it's not this. So just FYI, this is actually, I'm in a place called Silom in Bangkok, which is like the banking district or the financial hub of Thailand. So there's a lot of office workers, business people, and it's probably one of my favorite places to stay in Bangkok. So I've just realized this might not be the best place to show you the dish that I'm talking about, because this area actually seems to be full of, not full of, but there seems to be a lot of foreign or Western influenced restaurants. And actually something that's different about the last time when I was here last year is there's a lot of Arab restaurants, which is great. I just walked past like 2 Lebanese restaurants, which I don't remember seeing last year. So there was some taxi driver who just stopped me and asked me what I'm looking for. And he just jogged my memory. It's actually a public holiday here today, so things might not be open either. But that's alright, we'll figure it out. So I'm not sure what area I'm in now, but seems to be a lot of Chinese restaurants. Dim sum, noodles, that sort of thing. Which one you like? Mu, guy? Which one you like? Mu? Which one?
Mu.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Spicy or not?
Pet.
อะไรนะ fried egg ไหม Okay.
Thank you very much. So I'm not sure which public holiday there is today. We'll check it out. I just realized it's the King's birthday. So yeah, happy birthday, Rama 10. It's really spicy. There's people on the street actually coughing. It's so spicy. And this one's the egg, the fried egg. I need to step away for a second. God damn, that was spicy. Whew. Aloy. So as you just saw, it takes like 2 seconds to cook, whereas other Thai dishes might take a bit longer. Yeah, no, it's so convenient for everyone to eat. So I've ordered this many times in Australia at Thai restaurants, and it's like been Aussie-fied. So I never really get the authentic Phad Krapao in Australia, but anyway, it's almost worth the trip coming over. The number one step, I like to break the yolk and get it all over the rice. I miss this dish so much.
$86
$86? Drink as well? It's okay, it's okay. Thank you. It was so nice. Really good, thank you.
Too spicy.
No, perfect, perfect.
You ever here before?
Yeah, many times.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Today, King birthday.
Yes.
King birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Ramadan.
No, the
How long is the holiday? How long?
4 days.
4 days?
Yes.
Can get alcohol or no?
Yes.